Everyone, welcome back to each and every individual who's from Croatia. The love is beyond imaginary, and I'm enjoying the love that I'm receiving. I'm enjoying the love that I've been getting from each and every individual who've clicked this video, and I'm learning a lot. I'm learning so much of Mr. MPT. This man is literally a musical genius. This man is literally a very great artist. And his music is just so touching, so reliable, so great feeling. I just can't get enough of his music. So this led me to go deeper and deeper within his tracks, within his performance. Because what this man is doing, it is just not so easily to be maneuvered. Okay, so people, to all my Croatians who are watching this video at this point, I'll be now react to the best of Zagreb MPT. Yes, let's see what this performance is about. Oh my god, this artist is just so good. This artist is just so good. You can feel him at his performance, bro. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Whoa! The drumming is sick. The drummers are sick. The musical instruments are sick. It's just so dope, bro. Like this one is just so dope, bro. His energy is so good. Ah! Oh my god, yo. Oh my god. Hey! 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 Oh my god, yo. These music are so good, bro. Croatia, you guys are such an awesome artist. Like, come on, bro. Come on, man. Hey, Guys, such greatness. His impact is just low, bro. Like the crowd is just feeling his vibe. The crowd is just there interacting, bro. Like this man is just too good, bro. Like, oh my god. I wish I was there, guys. To be honest, I wish I was there. I wouldn't even going on more crazier than this right now. Like this man is just so good, bro. His music is just too good, bro. Oh my god. What a performance. What a live coverage performance. Yo, this man is such a great guy. Bro, massive respect. Massive love from Jamaica. I do hope someone please share this to him so he could know that a Jamaican man respect his work so much. Mr. MPT, I respect your work so much. I respect your artistry so much. The love you have in music is beyond my expectations. Wow, that was terrifically done, I ain't gonna lie. To witness such greatness, this is historical. Very historical. History can never be replaced this. Because this is historic itself, bro. Trust me. Bah, bah! Blah, blah! Gash him, gash him, gash him, gash him, gash him! Wow! Oh, the ending was just too smooth, bro. The stopping is just suddenly, bro. Like the vibe is just there. At this point, he is the king of music in Croatia. I rest my case. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, share this to Mr. MPT, for him to see that Jamaican guy respect him, okay? Not just in Croatia, but across the world. His love is just spreading like wildfire, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, most importantly. And I'll see you guys in another reaction to Mr. MPT. I'll see you guys around, bro.